What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Starting off the week red. After 7 days of a green streak, making over 2,100 bucks in those 7 days, we finally get a red day. Um, I just want to say I'm thankful. Thankful for even being on a green streak, and thankful for even having another day to be able to trade in the markets, green or red. I put out risk. We all put out risk to make money. I put out risk today, lost money, and days like these happens. So just gotta look at them from the good side, and just know that there's another day of trading, and that we're gonna tackle it. Let's go. So to get into my first trade, I took a position on Apple. As we all know, today was been very different, very, very different trading than the last week, week or two. We usually would have continuation to the downside and clean moves. We had a clean move for most of the stocks in the morning, but after that, no continuation. We started getting choppiness, and things were just not really just having no clear direction, and it was just tough to trade. It was just tough to trade, and it's even tougher when you trade emotionally. So I took my position at 222.50. All right, so I see this trade 222.50. Um, we can see a clear support at 218 on Apple. Clear resistance level, as you can see up here. Now where I went wrong was I took a position on Apple here, stop loss here, risking a little more than $1. So, and I was anticipating a move up and over at this very moment. Now, if I would have known we were trading under VWAP, I would probably not have taken this trade. But during the beginning of the day, we were not getting VWAP. I was not getting VWAP on my charts, and I think many of you probably didn't either. But um, this started wedging to the upside, and this was a long trap. This was a trap to get in the longs, and really, I shouldn't have not even took any trades during this area. Why? It's because we're in a level of support and a level of resistance. So we're just trading in the choppiness. We're trading in the battle. We're trading in the area of the most resistance. Now, what we could have waited was a break of support, a consolidation under, a new support, right? And a move to the downside, a break of the lowest low, uh, the low of here, and just a move. So now I'm gonna skip Baba. It's a $1 winner. Who cares, right? Um, but that was that. Now taking a look at Baba short, I took a position at 170.01. Oh shoot, I don't know. I don't know what I just did. 170.01. 175.01. Boom. So I took a position, as I just said, 175.01. Okay, now I took a position 175.01 after about here. So I took a position at 175.01 after this trade got rejected. I mean, bounced off of VWAP. So it was previously getting rejected by VWAP, but then it bounced. I mean, VWAP wasn't around this time, but it bounced. And then I bought here. I bought at 175.01. Had a push up initially, came back to my entry, started breaking down a bit. I think I took half shares at this point, and then we had to move up and over, and then just having wicks. We kept having wicks, and as you can see, this resistance was a resistance over here, and it got rejected. It rejected, came back to my entry, and just came down drastically. So I got out right there with a loser. Um, uh, what I could have done is just stuck to my regular stop loss, my normal stop loss on this trade, and just held it. I could have just held it really. Like that's the only thing I could have done better on this trade. Just hold it more. Um, Taking a look at my next trade, I took a position on MSFT. So Microsoft, as we all know, Microsoft, I took a position short at 134.86. Now you can see all of my trades are bad, right? They're all red. Um, Not necessarily bad. Just because it's red doesn't mean it's bad. But I got into a false breakout. I mean a false breakdown. So SPY at this point was having a consolidation. I was anticipating a move down. Now, why did I take this trade when I could have easily avoided a shakeout? Because it opened under. It opened under support. It opened under hole number 135. So we had an opening candle. This was the first time it opened under 135. And now I was anticipating a move up and over. I mean, under a crackdown and a continuation. Um, Completely got in a false breakdown. Could have waited for a support, a new resistance and support level below, and I could have completely avoided this. I completely could have avoided this. So now, what I'm going to be looking forward into the next days is a breakdown or a breakout of support or resistance and having a consolidation above or under. This will give us confirmation. We're going to miss out on moves, yes, but we're not going to be having trades like these. We're not going to be having trades like these cuz this is not good. You know, what was working a week ago is not working now, and you guys got to realize that we gotta adjust to the markets. They're crazy. They're crazy, crazy, crazy markets, but you guys gotta adjust. And if you don't, you're just gonna get smoked like I got took a hit today. And that's the truth of it. You know, 7 day green streak comes to an end because of how the market changes. And I'm not gonna say it's because of the market reason why I was red. It's because of me. Obviously, I took the trades. It's all in 100% my responsibility. But now what can I do from this? How can I learn from this? How can I move on from this? And how can I just be better, right? Okay, so on to the last trade because I'm just not gonna go over Tesla. It's a small green. You know, everything's red anyway. So uh, I took a position. You know, you guys aren't gonna believe this. 211.97. Another false breakout. Most of the breakouts that I were taking last week, breakdowns, all had continuation. These had volume and these had continuations. And now it's just not working. Now we just got to trade before a support and a resistance level. At least that's what happened today. We got to see what happens tomorrow, and we're just going to change our plans accordingly. But as you guys can see, I end up getting into another false breakout. Most likely this was chasing, if you want to say, emotional trading, but um for sure is the market's changing once again. So this concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell below to get notified when I post another video. And if you guys want to talk on a closer basis, I'm gonna leave a description. I'm gonna leave in the description a little link. Click on that link, join the Discord. We have a couple people in there where I'm trying to grow a small community where like-minded individuals and traders talk about stocks, talk about alerts, talk about what they see that looks good, and we're just gonna help each other. We're there to grow. So if you guys want to join that little community, keep in touch with me. Hit that link in the Discord and join our community and just in, just have fun, Have fun. I have nothing else to say. This concludes this video. Once again, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like and thanks for watching.